And Mary, this would be the second half of your trade. So we look at the Aussie as being weak. You are short the Euro Aussie. So we might be looking now at the second half of the equation. We looked at the Aussie dollar. Now we're going to look at the Euro dollar, and then we're going to try to make a combination of the Euro Aussie. Both of them are, the Euro and the Aussie are kind of weak. But looking at this here, the trend is still to the downside. For the last 10 days, look at 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 days, 7 day, the 10th day. This thing has been one inside day after another. One inside day after another. It trades below the 122.85 only to flip. It goes up as a high of 123.73 and it turns back. The next day it goes up to 123.85 and it turns back, and then it breaks below the structure point of 122.85 and then it turns back. It puts another high of 123.72, and then Friday is 123.81. So for the last week it has made, let's say, 4 attempts to trade above the 123.80, which is the 80 level, and it has kind of failed. And right now we close the week at 123.30. It's an inside day, so it's a nothing day. The day before it, so the whole week is pretty much a nothing week. But it is neither a sell nor is it a buy. I mean, it's just sitting there at the 102.85. We're just 15 or 30 pips above that point. So this makes our selling of the euro dollar kind of easy. We will sell it below the structure point because it hasn't been breaking it. So our short point, and let's look at the intraday just to be sure. There is our structure point right there, and it hasn't. And this, if you want to be technical, this is a momentum to the downside. So this could be a gift. So we are going to plan it. If it breaks the opening range over here, we can take it to the short side. But technically, we are going to go short below the structure point, which is the 122.85. So this is our short point, the 122.85. And this is from last week. And this is the structure short point is the 122.85. I haven't changed anything. And of course it will be our stop. On the long side, I think to be on the safe side, this is, as you can see here, this is the 4 daily high, the 3 daily high, the 123.80. So my suggestion would be to take it above the 123.80 to save ourselves the noise. And if I do, we're going to place our stop right here below the 123.37. So this is quite a large stop. It's about 40 pip stop, but again, you're dealing with something that has no trend, something that has no momentum, something that's oscillating. So that's why when you take a trade, you have to put a big stop because it's oscillating. It's not having a directional move in either way. And of course, our structure long point is the 124.55, which is right there, and our structure short is the 122.85. Okay, that is the euro dollar. So let me save that. Okay guys, we're at the top of the hour, so let's take a